Tesla's dog mode is a feature designed to keep your pet comfortable and safe when you need to leave them briefly in your parked Tesla. It maintains a set cabin temperature using the car's air conditioning or heating and displays a message on the touchscreen to passersby indicating that your pet is safe and the temperature inside the car. It's available on Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X models since 2022. To activate dog mode, start by tapping Controls on your Tesla's touchscreen. The Controls menu will open, showing various vehicle settings. Next, tap the Dog option in the Controls menu. Then slide the Dog mode toggle to On. Set your desired cabin temperature, typically around 70°F or 21°C. Once activated, the car automatically locks, and a reassuring message appears on the screen for people outside. Important, dog mode is user-initiated, unlike cabin overheat protection, which activates automatically. Dog mode is designed for short periods only, ideally under 30 minutes, to prevent pet stress and battery drain. Always park in shaded, well-ventilated areas to reduce heat buildup and ensure fresh air circulation. Monitor the car's battery level via the Tesla app to ensure sufficient charge remains for your return. Never leave your pet unattended for extended periods, especially in extreme weather conditions, as this can lead to serious health risks. Dog mode is not a substitute for responsible pet ownership. Always prioritize your pet's safety and well-being. Remember, dog mode enhances safety but doesn't replace your judgment and care for your pet. Use the Tesla app to remotely monitor the cabin temperature and battery level while dog mode is active. The Tesla app provides real-time access to these vital metrics, helping you keep tabs on your pet's environment from anywhere. Tesla's V12 software update, released in Q4 2025, brings enhanced notifications. You'll receive push notifications if unusual activity is detected, such as excessive barking or significant temperature fluctuations inside the car. Regularly check the app to ensure everything is running smoothly and address any issues promptly. Battery drain is a primary risk with dog mode. The feature uses the battery to power the HVAC system, maintaining cabin temperature while you're away. Leaving dog mode on for too long can deplete the battery completely, potentially preventing you from starting the car when you return. This is especially concerning in situations where you need to drive away quickly. Extreme external temperatures can overwhelm the dog mode system, even when active. In very hot or cold conditions, the HVAC may struggle to maintain a comfortable cabin temperature, reducing the feature's effectiveness. Pets can still experience stress or health issues if the cabin environment becomes too hot or cold, even with dog mode running. Animals may become anxious from being alone in the vehicle or suffer from temperature-related problems despite the system's efforts. Always exercise caution and common sense when using dog mode. Never leave pets unattended for extended periods. Monitor conditions through the Tesla app and be aware of local weather extremes that could affect the system's performance. Many Tesla owners have successfully used dog mode to keep their pets comfortable during quick errands. For example, in 2023, a California owner used dog mode during a 20-minute grocery run on a hot day. The system maintained a comfortable cabin temperature, preventing overheating for their pet. However, there have been cases of overuse. In 2024, a Texas owner left their dog for over an hour during a heat wave. This led to complete battery drain and mild heat stress for the dog before the owner returned. These real-world examples highlight the importance of responsible usage. Dog mode is effective for short periods, but can pose risks if used improperly. Veterinarians like Dr. Jennifer Coates recommend dog mode as a helpful tool for short-term pet safety, emphasizing that it's not foolproof. The American Kennel Club reports that 15% of Tesla-owning dog owners use dog mode weekly, which reduces pet anxiety during stops by 40%. Automotive safety analysts caution against over-reliance, reinforcing that traditional advice, never leave pets alone in cars, still applies. Future developments may include AI-driven adaptive temperature adjustments based on pet size or breed, potentially through a new app module in 2026. Integration with Sentry Mode for enhanced security is another trend. Tesla is also exploring partnerships with veterinary apps for safety alerts. There's speculation about expanding dog mode to include options for cats or multiple pets as autonomous driving features evolve. But for now, it's essential to use dog mode responsibly within its current limitations.